What's up, guys? In this tutorial we will create pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. Create a new document. From adjustment layer, add solid color. Keep it white. Open image. Remove the background of image. Click and drag image in document. Select single column marquee tool. Click on area which needs to be stretched. Press Ctrl+J to make selection layer. Select Ctrl+T. Hold Shift key to stretch selection. From filter, select Distort. Select polar coordinates. Follow settings. Adjust stretch effect according to image. Keep image layer at top. Select brush tool and follow the process. Mask the brush layer with stretch pixel layer using Alt key. Keep blend mode to linear dodge to add some glow. Add drop shadow to image layer. Follow settings. Select solid color layer. Add color accordingly. Add boom. We are done with it. Try it out and let me know in comment section. If you like my contents, subscribe to my channel.